is one of my favorite pasta dish, and these are the ingredients. 1/2 kilo of macaroni, 1 can of fruit cocktail, drained, 1 jar of kaong, drained, 1 small box of cheese, cubed, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 cans of Nestle cream, 1 box of Nestle all-purpose cream, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and also 1 tablespoon of salt. We start by putting enough water to boil in a large pot. Then add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of salt. Add the macaroni. Stir occasionally to prevent pasta from sticking. Cook uncovered for 10 minutes or until tender but firm to the bite. Then drain and rinse in cold water to stop it from cooking any further. In a large bowl, combine the macaroni, fruit cocktail, kaong, and cheese. Mix it together. Now, in a small bowl, stir the condensed milk, Nestle cream, and Nestle all-purpose cream. Until you have a smooth and creamy dressing. And now the dressing is smooth, and then pour the dressing over the top of the macaroni mixture. Mix it until everything is coated in the creamy dressing. Chill the salad for a couple of hours or overnight in the fridge, and voila! Macaroni reporting for duty. Amazing.